In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create and send a simple email campaign from start to finish, even if this is your very first time using the platform. First, go ahead and log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top or side of the screen for the Create button. This is your starting point for any new campaign. Click Create, and Mailchimp will show you a few different options for the type of content you can build. From those options, choose Email. Mailchimp may show other choices like automations or landing pages, but for now, we're focusing on a basic one-time email campaign. After you select Email, you'll be asked what kind of email you want to create. Choose Regular. A regular email is a standard campaign that goes out once to a group of contacts, which is perfect for newsletters, announcements, or simple promotions. Next, you'll need to decide who will receive this email. Look for the Add Recipients option. When you click this, Mailchimp will display your available audience or lists. Select the audience you want to send to. If you have tags or segments set up, you can narrow it down even further. But if you're just starting out, choosing your main audience is completely fine. Once you've selected the right group, click Save. This step is important because it ensures the email goes to the correct contacts and helps you avoid sending it to the wrong list. Now it's time to design what your subscribers will actually see. Click Design Email. Mailchimp will present a range of templates, from very simple layouts to more visual, image-heavy designs. Pick a template that matches the style of message you want to send. After selecting a template, you'll enter the email editor where you can customize everything. Update the subject line and preview text, replace images, add your logo, edit text blocks, and adjust colors to fit your brand. Take a moment to proofread your content and make sure all your links are working. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Save and Exit. This saves your work and takes you back to the main campaign summary page, where you can quickly review your recipients, subject line, and design. Finally, when everything looks good and you're ready to send, head to the top right corner and click Send to deliver your email immediately, or choose Schedule if you'd prefer Mailchimp to send it at a specific date and time. And that's it. You've just created and sent a regular email campaign in Mailchimp.